Share na. Pamili. Kaya na, yun na, pwede dito.
Share. Dayon. Nagamay mo lagi.
Ako na dito yun. I-X na. Ay, dito
Minimize.
X na siya. Ayun, yan na.
Ano?
Ibabaw, dali ka dapit to. Dili na ibutang.
Nawala kong
Ay,
PowerPoint.
lang. I-X mo to ba? Ito naman. Sakto na, ipakilin niya siya dali. Ay. Yan, kanara, drag. Alright. Drag mo PPT. Gamay kayo mo ang one bad words. Wala.
Sa.
Ito na ko?
Isang gupo kami. Nag-record na niyo?
Oo, record. Pag imo mahuman na ka end spot.
Hindi sa akin. Nag-iisan. Slide 4 naman dahil. Ano, siya pa. Good day, everyone. Mind edit. Naka-record naman ba?
Ayun na. Ay, ako na.
Good day, everyone. My name is Aprilina Mukot Paginawan, and I am a cashier at Liceo de Cagayan University, a researcher. It is a pleasure to present. Ay, isa yun. Una ko na, ismog akong PPT. Probo ang ganit. Edit na nga.
No.
Isa ko sa. Calendar niya. Good. Tuwid din ha. Totoo ha. Ha? Tuwid din mga 1 minute.
Basta i-end ko ano pa.
Stop share na na to. Saan ko na ko? Ma X ani.
Mo na siya nag-18. Kadako mo na tayo din. Mo na siya end ko.
Ano pa ako? Sige. One, there go. Good day, everyone. My name is Aprilina Mukot Paginawan, and I am a cashier at Liceo de Cagayan University, a researcher. It is a pleasure to present my research study to you today entitled Student Satisfaction and the Quality Service Delivery of Cashier Section in Higher Education Institution. This research was a collaborative effort, and I am honored to introduce my co-author, Dr. Edson A. Espina. He played a key role in the study, and I truly appreciate his dedication. This study was conducted to understand students' experiences with the cashier section, including aspects such as efficiency, professionalism, and service accuracy. By identifying key areas of satisfaction and improvement, the study aims to provide insights that can help enhance service delivery and endure. Dapat ensure. Pagtuwi din do karon totoo. Indoor na pin. Ensure. Pagtuwi sa ko dito pa. Okay. Ano yun? Di ko totoo da. Actually, sa dito ka, Jot. Wait, Tyler, dito. Wala, ano, connection ng Sheila. Sina? First day ka ni. Good day, everyone. My name is Aprilina Mukot Paginawan, and I am a cashier at Liceo de Cagayan University, a researcher. It is a pleasure to present my research study to you today entitled Student Satisfaction and the Quality Service Delivery of Cashier Section in Higher Education Institution. This research was a collaborative effort, and I am honored to introduce my co-author, Dr. Edson E. Espina. He played a key role in this study, and I truly appreciate his dedication. This research was conducted to understand students' experiences with the cashier section, including aspects such as efficiency, professionalism, and service accuracy by identifying key areas of satisfaction and improvement The study aims to provide insights that can help enhance service delivery and ensure a better experience for students. In the dynamic landscape of higher education, students' overall experiences and satisfaction levels are greatly influenced by the cashier section's quality of service delivery in educational institution. And according to the study of uh, Shaw, Junior, and Flores, students surveys its impact on the students' satisfaction. Higher education institutions' main objective is to provide their students with an excellent education. This research found that most students were aware of and usually satisfied with the university students' services. And for the theoretical framework, I have two theory here. First, the expectancy value theory. It posits that students' satisfaction hangs on their expectations and perceived value of their educational experiences. And the next one is the service quality, or what we call ServQual model. It offers structured method for assessing and enhancing the quality of services. And for the research methodology, for the research setting, Liceo de Cagayan University, for this investigation, I was employed descriptive, correlational, and causal research design. And for the participants and sampling procedure, for the purpose of the study, the respondents were paramedical and non-paramedical students for the three campuses. And for the research instrument, it was a self-made questionnaire, survey phase validity for three experts, a pilot testing on a subset of 30 students, then the reliability and validity test. Showing here the result of my first statement of the problem, which is the demographic of the respondents. For the age, the highest percentage, 66.67%, belongs to 18 to 21 age group. For the gender, the highest percentage, 62.26%, belongs to female. And for the course, the highest percentage, 53.09%, belongs to the paramedical courses. And for the year, the highest percentage, 32.23%, belongs to second year students. The data revealed that respondents are statistically distributed in terms of their demographic profile. And for the second statement of the problem, as can be gleaned in the result, cash and check payments obtained the highest mean score of 4.27. And among all payment methods, cash and checks are most preferable for students due to their simplicity, lack of transaction fees, and allowing students to manage their budgets effectively without incurring extra costs or digital security concerns. And it was supported with a study of Adams and Burke. They found that students prefer cash and checks for financial control, especially those on tight budgets, avoiding digital fees and security risks. And for the level of cashier quality service, as shown in the result, respondents obtained the highest mean score of 4.03 for inquiries. These findings implies that on the whole, students are happy with the way cashier responds to inquiries or offer information. This probably has a favorable impact on the cashier's comprehensions, correct and clear responses to inquiries, which is consistent with the components of quality customer care and support. And it is supported with the study of Zidane and with his co-author. They argue that cashier's responsiveness and empathy are key to service excellence. And for the statement problem of number 4, for the level of satisfactions among respondents in terms of cashier professionalism, proper maneuverism in handling transactions, and accuracy, as depicted in the result, respondents obtained the highest mean score of 4.16 for accuracy. Respondents likely rated cashier accuracy highly for ensuring precise records and avoiding financial or academic issues. And it is supported by the study of Zhu and Fun. They support this finding, noting that accurate transactions build trust by reducing disputes and ensuring a smooth processes. For the correlation coefficient for the payment methods, banks, credit cards, cash or check, and online payment ranges from 0.520 to 0.550. This implies a strong positive correlation with satisfaction, demonstrating that as people are more satisfied with the various payment options, their level of contentment rises as well. And The correlation for cashier service level, payment service, inquiry service, and assistance are considerably higher, ranging from 0.803 to 0.906. It shows that every variable has largely positive significant relationship with satisfaction. And all variables significantly impact satisfaction and service quality. And was supported by Ahmed and Zahed. This shows that cashier service quality and payment preferences impact satisfaction, emphasizing accuracy, timeliness, and convenience. And for the last statement of the problem, investigated on which of the variables singly or in combination influence satisfaction. Among the three significant predictors, assistance service stands out as the most influential factors in determining respondent satisfaction as its highest beta value of 0.701. And it is supported by a study by Lee and Tan. They discovered that inquiry and assistance service had a large impact on customer satisfaction. And based on the findings, it shows that students generally agree and highly prefer on the service offered by the cashier section. And there will also be areas that require development, particularly in the payment methods. Online payment have the lowest mean score. And to sustain and improve service quality, efforts should focus on further optimizing payment processes, ensuring timely and efficient handling of any of those services offered, and offering more personalized assistance. And for the recommendation, Human Resource Department may provide comprehensive training for staff in assistance service to equip them with the skills needed to address customer concerns promptly and effectively. And for the employee, they may focus on offering personalized and empathetic assistance to meet customer needs effectively and build trust. And for the MBA students, they may examine how various payment methods and customer support service impact satisfaction. And for the policymakers, they may prioritize ensuring the availability of a variety of payment options such as bank transfers, credit cards, cashier check, and online payments, allowing students and families to select and met the method that best suits their needs. And for our future researcher, they may delve deeper into the factors that affect customer satisfaction with different payment methods and support services with a particular focus on digital payment system and emerging technologies. And these are my references. And for my personal journey, throughout this research journey, I have gained valuable insights into how service quality impacts student satisfaction. And this has enforced the importance of efficiency, professionalism, and responsiveness in enhancing the student's experience. And I hope these findings contribute to meaningful improvements and inspire further discussion on service excellence. Thank you.
Dayon, nag-thank you naman ko.